coming in or what, dude? Next up is probably gonna be Alright, this week's ride, I'm just gonna head over to San Antonio. Probably not gonna talk much, just gonna enjoy the ride. Alright, I'll cut ahead. Are you coming in or what, dude? God damn. I swear these people can't drive. Alright, I guess I'll start talking right here. I don't have a whole lot to say, as I said earlier. As you all are probably aware, unless you've been living under a rock, Elon Musk bought Twitter. Now, I'm not really a Democrat or a Republican, so honestly, I could care less. However, I am a proponent of freedom of speech, so I think that's a good thing. I think whether somebody posts something racist or, you know, prejudice or whatever, freedom of speech, man. If you don't like it, change the channel. And the good thing about that, too, is not that I'm a racist or a prejudice, but when you see people talk like that, then you know who they really are and you can identify those people. Rather than just censoring and then they stay quiet. So, I don't know. Well, anyways, that's my rant. But yeah, we're gonna go to Seaworld, San Antonio. I noticed that this Seaworld out here has a bunch of roller coasters compared to the San Diego one, and that's probably because the San Diego one, they're literally right next to the ocean, whereas this one here in Texas, they're about 4 hours or so from the ocean. So damn, that guy thinks he's on the Autobahn. Yeah, so there isn't a whole lot of wildlife, I'd imagine, compared to the one in San Diego. But anyways, I'll show you guys the pictures of the coaster. And yeah, we'll hop back on the freeway and go home. This is a short ride today. Looks like Quesadilla's running for governor or something. Carlos Quesadilla. See, that's why I love free speech, because I'm able to say shit like that.
There it is.
Well, that sucks. We didn't really get to see any roller coasters or anything. I know they have them. I see them when I pass on the freeway. Okay, whatever. I know how to get home. All right, here we go, freeway ride. It's about to get real physical. Oh, I guess I could have gone to Seaworld over that way. Oh well. Oh, not too bad. 13 bucks to fill up. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this week's ride. If you haven't subscribed, do so. I'll see you guys next week.